Google has announced this week that they are starting to beta test a new extension within Google Ads called Lead Form Extension that allows advertisers to capture any leads from their search ad campaigns. Lead forms work only as extensions to a search campaign, so all bidding and targeting options are determined by the campaign your form is attached to. So when a user submits their info in a lead form extension, it will be counted as a lead conversion. This is exciting because it uses optional webhooks to enable data from your leads to seamlessly move directly into your CRM software. This will help you to learn more about the possible leads generated by your Google Ads campaign so that you can tweak campaigns and generate more leads from your ads. It is important, however, to keep an eye on the quality of these leads. So how does it work? Well, the lead form extension has a similar appearance to the promotion extensions. They are displayed in a callout box with an icon. When collecting the leads, you get the name, email address, phone number, and postcode for the contact. This data can be transmitted via a webhook to your CRM system, and you will receive this in real time so that you can view the collected leads. What is exciting with the new lead form extension is the seamless link between the capture of information and the integration within your own CRM system. This should reduce the challenges of transferring lead data to the advertiser. Hope you enjoyed this video and would love to hear your thoughts and feedback on the lead form extension and how it is performing. Thanks for joining in and hope to see you in my next video soon.